Hey, my people, another day, don't reach for another strong monk news. Now, they already know they here. The corporate John, who never know me. Maybe this. Man, I not there say I not shoot more news for some days now. I just get some things when they do for hand and many stress and many things just the occur. I promise you now, it will never happen again. So, who never know me, I mean, they call Prince John. First man made the smell well, still they use that man, still they drink water. Now condition, now he make goat, come waka, tin. He can't go percy boil, can't go open now. Me around, he can't begin to drink the percy water. Not see no guy go walk street where percy go pour. We go begin see the shoppy shit. You know the happen. You never know me. Now maybe this today mock news is going to be a funny mock news. Because news may just the happen for inside town today. That's also funny news. Are you ready? Before we start, my first one speak. Before we start, you get what I see. Nigeria now, wetin Nigeria go turn to if the government no do something about the situation of Nigeria. Animal go come dey follow us dey drag food. Wetin Nigeria go turn to na be this one. Before we start, una first look this video. Wetin Nigeria go talk to if government no follow us, if government no fight, if government no plan for the country. Oya, watch the video. Oya, Guadelaba. You don't see, so now wetin go happen for Nigeria be that one. Animal now, because the first they call Nigeria Zoom. Animal now go come waka enter street, come they begin to follow the drag food. Now wetin go happen for Nigeria if government no work for Nigeria na this one. They already know. Oh yeah, let's go to the reason why we are here. See this news that marvel. Now this kind of people, if you be celebrating, now this kind of thing you supposed to dey compare yourself with. I see this news, I was amazed. Put my brother picture for here, Davido. You try. If not, oh, this one you just do when I see. You retry. Davido give out the time to children, to the less privileged. He gathered them. You see some wear slippers for hand. Davido no man. He gathered them. He performed, give them. Why? You know, so all these children are the future of the country. You know, so all these children are the future of the things wey go happen. He gathered them. He performed for them free of charge. He not collect money. He performed from them. Those of you who never see when Davido or God Davido they perform for small children. They entertain them. They make them dey happy, feel at home, so that they think their future well. Because the way Nigeria be so, not be many people they think well now. That's why Davido now. That is why I like what you do. The way you take encourage these children so that their brain they go think well, they go settle down, they not go they misbehave, they not go they drive tire up and down. You gather them, you perform from there, you do nice job. You do a very nice job. Those of you who never see when Davido they perform to all these children for free. Oh yeah, Guadelaba. Shebi just see Davido, this thing what you do, send me your account details. I go put some more things for inside. You not too small, 1,000 naira na money. I go put inside your account for you to perform for all these children free of charge. You really do a big job. Keep on. If all artists they encourage the younger ones like this. You know what I'm saying? I be celebrity. Even people, why I they read this news is that for Europe, you see person when you just sing one track, the track self no even collect about 5,000 views. You go do the talk say he be celebrity. If you even the talk to them, say if you even the call, no one pick your call. Now because of all those people, let me you read this news. You see superstar person will get private jets, will get house, will get multi-billionaire house. You see what he do now because of when I shoot this video. So Mona learn to bring una self down. Una know people when they talk to. Una know the kind of people when they talk to. I don't want to measure them. Una know the kind of people. Mona learn to bring una self down. If you bring yourself down, God will lift you high. Because this world is just a small world. You don't know go help you tomorrow. Mona try to bring una self down. Not be say because una don't sing one track, you collect 2,000 views for YouTube. They go say I don't arrive. Una can't raise una shoulder like this. If you will see some for road, they go they raise their shoulder. Mona copy Davido, humble yourself. Humility is better, humble yourself. Mona copy this guy. Let's go to the next news. For Lagos State, no be sumo kasala boss. I see this news. I was so torturalized. I was so mimilized. I thought that today saying a funny news. That I see this news. Put the picture. See man, old man. He carry generator. I just want to read this news for those people when they are high, no they come up for another person something. No the kind house me you go thief. No be all house they say. If you get some house now, native doctor now you get the house. If you go thief there, you are on your home. You are on a long thing. This man now no know say since when the thief now today now had 1 meter. Had meter today. The house may go enter. He go enter the wrong house. For a wrong vicinity, for a wrong moment, you go enter a wrong house. This man carry big generator. He put on for head. Big generator. Generator gone for this man head. Generator no one agree come down. Generator. You see what the thief they cause? Work hard. They go say work. Una no go want work. Una go defend with una no keep una defend. You see what the thief they cause? See what the thief they cause. Now those of una never see when they maza body, when they dizzy body, when they dazzle body. Oh yeah, go ahead laba.
You can imagine, this is what just happened in my area. A guy walking to someone's compound and stole his generator. That generator is carrying on his neck. You can imagine. You don't call your husband. No. I just go go show face here. No, I'm about to. What is carry your face up. Facebook, go to Wambia. This is live video. Live. People are commenting already. Show your face. Lots of people are commenting already. This is what just happened in my area now. A guy walked into someone's compound and stole a generator. That's the generator he stole. And that's him. Man, this country is becoming something else. A lot is really happening. He stole a generator. That's the generator Yes, so Jacob, he stole the generator. That's him. It's an Igbo man. It's a Igbo man. One Igbo. The guy is a disgrace. He's a shame. He's a shame. You can see that a lot of people here that just caught him. He's a thief. A big thief. As you say, carry him down. I'm doing it. You see people commenting already. Stand up, put on there. She take carry am. Abbas.
Wait, see my main carry am. Main carry am. Wait. Please, bros, don't push me.
When I leave, no police come meet and like this. If you cannot go inside, you go tonight. If you cannot go inside, you go tonight.
Shebi you don't see when they scatter a body for am because of go thief Jane and Jane wey thief now. If to say he walk out, he go for free buy am. Wetin me wan ever tell you now? How do you feel as they come catch you now? How do you feel? What do you have to tell your fellow thief in the town? So next time, this one now show you good example. If you fit come out for this one, if you see where person things dey, you no go pull eye. Now wetin Nigeria go cause be this? This is just bad government, bad everything, but that one no give person right to steal. Steal not be because of bad government. You can hustle, you can work on your own, you can find something doing. Even though na pure water, sell pure water and make ends meet. Sell pure water. Most of them for Nigeria, they never see, they don't know we made dey Europe. They don't know what we they do. They go to say we just come Europe money dey pluck and here. Most of all these people, they can never beg for streets. Do you know the work some people in Europe doing? They beg for money. They beg. This is just a little tickle for her. Next time, you'll learn how to keep yourself. We'll go to the next news. My people, this news I seen I was too touchless because this news is a touching one. Many of you now don't see. Put the guy picture when they hungry. Put the guy picture. Most of you now don't see this news. This boy, he lose his wife, a pregnant wife, just because the guy not get money. Now what did they bring thief? Now be all this one. Now what did they encourage? Can't just Nigeria just get organization when go the help during the time of emergency? Can't Nigeria just get that kind of thing? It be like Europe now. They get like road cross, they get all those kind of things. If you do emergency or they get some office when you go, they go support you. They'll do this one. That kind of thing no your fit did Nigeria. When government go put money, say money they help many people. I know say if that kind of thing dey, people go still get back head, they shop the money. That's why government no want do. You see this guy now, he lose his wife, he pregnant wife. Just because he no see money to pay hospital bill. Doctor no gree attend to a pregnant wife. He lose a pregnant wife. See, those of you now will never see when this guy they para. But if you know say you not sabi they bear something, not watch this video. Just go out now. If you know say you sabi bear something, watch this video. Those of you now will never see when the guy they para when he lose his wife. Oh yeah, Guadelaba. You just see when e dey para because of wetin happen. Brother, take heart. No be country be Nigeria. Nigeria no be country. Nigeria is just a zoom. I dey come o. Nigeria is just a zoom, no be country. Take heart, my brother. No be your fault. Most people, they drop their opinion saying the hospital suppose help because of emergency. Later they'll demand. Some people see the talk say if the hospital help, say how the hospital wan come take finance their equipment and all those things, they go lose and they go close the hospital because of lack of funds. May I tell you, this thing not be the hospital fault. One, na the government wey not plan Nigeria well. For Europe and for other advanced country, they get wetin they call health insurance. If you don dey country, you don dey live, you dey alive, person suppose get health insurance. That health insurance, you go dey pay small money every month. If you no dey work, government go dey pay the health insurance for you every month. But if you dey work, you by yourself dey pay the health insurance. If health insurance dey Nigeria, all this kind thing cannot happen. That is just the mistake. The mistake is not from the hospital. The mistake is from the government. If they fit put health insurance, if health insurance dey this country, if dey Nigeria, many people no go for the die because they go dey attend to people because they know say they go get their money from government, or if you dey work, you go pay the money. That is just it. For Europe, you get wetin say people no understand. Not be the day when they treat you for Europe, not be that day that they pay money. Now be waiting Nigeria. Nigerians they know, but because of no security, no health insurance, and no registration, that is why they put the story long. Not be the day when you go hospital that they treat you. So what happened to this boy? He touched me, and may God give you heart so that you feel bear your loss. We'll go to the next news. You know, say that they tell us say Nigeria na zoom, Nigeria na bush, Nigeria na forest, Nigeria na wetin you can think of, Nigeria na inside river a day. Una no dey believe say Nigeria na bush, Nigeria na forest. Put their picture. Could you believe? Old man, that they fight for goats. Goat oh, may they fight for one goat. I think it's today that comedy for Nigeria. That means goat now can't get value past human being. For Nigeria, people now fighting because of goat mehe. People are now fighting against mehe. You know, see that life. See the way Nigeria be now. Nigeria, they're supposed to put Nigeria inside cage. They go lock am with padlock. They'll go throw am for inside forest. Then they go just gather Nigeria, put her inside cage, go throw am for inside forest. Then Nigeria is not a country that you can just relax on your own and just believe that something new will come. Since I was born, no new thing I have ever seen in that country, Nigeria. No new thing. Everything. Now the way it be. Now the way if this government come, he go start one road, he go scatter the road, repair the road, he turn go finish. Another government go come still continue for that road. Oh, Nigeria. They just turn us. The way the heads they rotate, and so they just turn us on Nigeria. Those of you who never see when they fight for goat. Oh yeah, Guadelaba. You don't see they fight for goat. Nigeria, una things can never just get good thing. Other countries now they fight for technology. They fight for who go produce the latest car. They fight for who to produce the latest technology. Una see they fight for who to they fight for who to drag goat, who to carry leg, carry hand, carry head, carry this one. Now don't shop on our future. But go to the next news. For those states, it be like we not get here, we not the year. Because if many things, if many videos don't come social media, una not they understand what they talk, and una not they listen to what they talk, una just they watch the picture. It be like most of people when they Europe now they cause this problem. Una go just listen to picture, listen to the background, listen to the just see the person, but una no go listen to what the person they talk. That is wrong. You suppose leave the person when they talk, leave the background, fair listen to what they talk. Put Tony Kabaka. You know, say you now you don't turn to this thing Jehovah Witness now for my show. Every time and now you they come my show, every time I they want you Tony Kabaka. Every time and now you they come my show, you don't turn to Jehovah Witness. Now. See the video when you drop. Those of you when don't understand this video, if na another country when it get law, they drop this video. Tony Kabaka supposed go jail. Why Governor Obaseki supposed answer query? Why Oshomole? Poor Oshomole. Why you Oshomole supposed answer query also about this video when Tony Kabaka now shoot recently? When una dey laugh, una don't know about this video. Before I even talk more about this video, Mona fair watch this video. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
So I want to tell you, my people, my national chairman, I know you will not say a word, because if you will say a word, my body would have told me so. I want you to please stand well. When Obaseki were coming on board, we robbed that mandate. We robbed it. I'm telling you today. We robbed it and give it to Obaseki. Now, Isaiah have come to take his mandate. I beg you, this is not by whatever or whatever, because of the road, the fire that I've seen. That is what I'm telling you, people in APC. If we don't want to gamble with this election, please, when we all joined together to fight Izeyamu, it was a narrow escape.
You see this video, you understand what he talk. Tony Kabaka thought say, when Obaseki want enter governor, may I break am down with PG for now. When Obaseki want enter governor, he say na then run now. He say na then give am the mandate. That means Obaseki was not qualified. Now then stole the ballot boxes when Obaseki take enter governor. When Obaseki can't enter governor now, Obaseki now can't betray them. Can't betray them. Tony Kabaka now is now dropping message now to the other opponent. Me want come out for APC now. You understand? Say me lawyer. Not be about what he would drop for the other opponent, not be my problem. Now about the thing when Tony Kabaka, you wait to use your mouth to say now they run now for those states. Now they run now. That means election period now. People when they die now they run now. Now those states, Nigeria not get government at all. Nigeria, it be like our social media, they know they control for Nigeria. Other countries they control their own. Like Nigeria, know they control their social media. How can one person stand say that then they run now? Who go be governor for Nigeria? Say that then for Edo State, tell me for Edo State, say that then they run now go be governor. I pity Edo State. You people are still on the long thing. He said that una fight for the root. Una root out all these people. Una question Adam Oshomole. Una question this boy. This boy, see your hair the red now. They talk you, they look that side. Your hair the red now. Like person when they roast for fire. Like barbecue. Your hair the red now. I they talk to you now. You, they supposed question you, Tony Kabaka. And they go question Governor Obaseki himself, they go question and say, this video wey Tony Kabaka release na true or na lie. Edo State, if we get brain, we go use this one wise. Who not can use this one wise? You are on your own. Let's go to the next news. For Romania, nothing dey happen. For Nigeria, we dey think say na Nigeria men dey shit. We no know say other country men dey still dey meow 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 like this thing. They dey meow meow like all those snake. They go dey stop with the meow meow. They will still go pinch. One married woman catch your husband for where they meow meow dey pinch another woman. Not be small beating. So una see the meow meow like us, like we black. So I think say na only black dey do all those kind things. I don't know say na even do am pass na the meow. Those of una, I wan just read this news short because I no get time. Those of una wey never see where they use wound iron motor saw dey tear the man body because of meow meow. Meow wetin meow go use some men do for this world there. No be small thing. Those of una never see where the woman dey massacre the man wey him husband and the side chick. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
Não.
E pra que você ficou me mandando mensagem?
Aí, Patrícia, faz não, Patrícia.
Faço! Pra tu largar esse... E outra! Tu é safado! Tu tem que apoiar tudo pra mais do que ela! Eu não é saco, tu não tem que ser viado! Manda ele por
You just see you see when man dey meow meow. Wetin your wife I just dey read this news to married men. Abeg, Mona no vex. Wetin your wife no get when your side chick get? Can't you just stick as the Bible talk? 1 + 1 will become 1. Can't you just stick to one thing? Just dey eat, just dey enjoy am. You know, e get the way you dey chop one thing sef. So this video I no release am for my YouTube, na only Facebook I go release am because na Facebook people na we like all this kind video. So let's go to the next one.